Hi everyone, my name is Shiven and I'm the Indian MTB National Champion. Today we're going to be talking about gears and how to use them, what are the common myths about them, and how you can understand them better. Let's go. To watch more such videos, subscribe to this channel. Today we're going to be talking about gears on your bicycle, and we got a 91 Vantage X over here, and this bicycle has got turning group set. Firstly, we'll talk about why do we need gears on a bicycle. We already have bicycles without the gears. So the reason to that is that whenever we are riding on different terrains, when we are going up a slope or down a slope, you are living in a mountainous regions or in the cities where you have flyovers or changing terrains, that's where gears come into picture. We can shift the gears so that it gets easier to go up the climbs, or make it hard so that when we are going down the slope, we still can pedal and build up the speed. So when we change the speed of the bikes, we can change our leg speed accordingly, and that's where gears help us. The next we're going to be talking about is the different gear setups that are there in the market. So you must have heard about 18 speed bike or a 21 or a 24 speed or even 27 or 30 speed bikes. So what does that mean? That means how many gears do we have at the back, at the front of the bicycle. We usually have 1, 2 or 3 chain rings at the front, and we can have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and even 12 chain rings at gears at the back. For example, this bike over here has 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 by 7, which means a 21 speed bike. A bike with a 3 chain rings at the front and 6 cogs at the back is called an 18 speed bicycle, because you get 18 gear ratios, 3 multiplied by 6. And if you are using 3 multiplied by 7, that gives you a 21 speed bicycle. Each gear ratio will help you with a different pedaling speed. And the more gear ratios that you have, the more options that you will have for riding on different terrains. So most of these bicycles, they come in the range of 18 speed to 24 speed. And you can choose your gears accordingly.